Hi, I'm Hanita and I'm a student of LLM pursuing my specialization in alternate dispute resolution at Jindal Global Law School. I chose JGLS because JGLS is one of the best institutes offering wide variety of courses in LLM, and ADR was my niche and I wanted to study ADR, which was being offered by Jindal. That's why I chose Jindal. So I, before joining Jindal, did my market research about how the program at Jindal is, and all the reviews that I've received were that it is a great program to go for. We at classes have theoretical and practical learning where we are taught how theory works, and then we are given situations where we actually implement it in real life. We're taught the skills and techniques that are important for us to survive in the world out there. Also, Jindal offers a global exposure with the wide variety of faculty and scholars here, which is also a great opportunity to learn, grow, and explore the field of law. That was the prime reason as to why I joined Jindal. I have met so many people, have had so many intellectual conversations, have had a chance to interact with so many scholars and learn so much. I would recommend anyone who wants to pursue their masters in ADR or in any other specialization must go for Jindal, because I think it's one of the best institutes that India has for masters.